Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home. Today, we are going to learn one new topic of grammar, that is types of adverbs. So, let's start. There are 5 types of adverbs that you should familiarize yourself with: degree, frequency, manner, place, and time. Let's see each type, its meaning, and examples one by one. The first type of adverb is adverbs of degree. Let's see its meaning. Adverbs of degree tells us more about the intensity of the verb in the sentence. In other words, they describe how much or to what degree. Adverbs of degree ये बताता है कि सेंटेंस में वर्ब की कितनी इंटेंसिटी है और हाउ मच और टू एट व्हाट डिग्री और कितने लेवल पर है. Adverbs of degree can also modify adjectives and other adverbs. Adverbs of degree क्या modify करता है? Adjective को modify करता है और adverb को modify करता है. And are placed before the word they modify. Popular adverbs of degree includes, जो popular adverbs of degree है, almost, enough, hardly, just, nearly, simply. These all are the examples of adverbs of degree. Let's look at some sample sentences. This short essay is hardly sufficient. Here the word hardly is used as the types of adverb of degree. It's simply not enough. Here the word simply is used as the type of adverbs of degree. I am so excited to move to Ireland. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ आयरलैंड मूव करने के लिए. तो ये जितने भी वर्ड्स यूज़ हुए हैं, हार्डली, सिंपली और एक्साइटेड, these all are the example of intensity of the verb. Okay, everyone? The second type of adverb is adverbs of frequency. Let's see its meaning and examples. Adverbs of frequency let us know how often the verb occurs. Adverbs of frequency क्या बताता है, क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है कि वर्ब कैसे सेंटेंस में अकर होता है, आता है. Therefore they mostly modify verb. और ये किसको मॉडिफाई करता है? हमेशा ज़्यादा करके वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करता है. This adverb tends to appear right before the main verb in the sentence. और ये जो adverb होता है तो सेंटेंस में मेन वर्ब के जगह पर आता है. Popular adverbs in the category includes, पॉपुलर एडवर्ब्स जो यूज़ हुए हैं उसके जो वर्ड्स हैं, अगेन, ऑलवेज, नेवर, नॉर्मली, rarely, seldom, and sometimes. These all are the examples of adverbs of frequency. Okay, everyone? Let's see the examples in a sentences. I always read a book before bed. मैं हमेशा बेड पर जाने से पहले बुक पढ़ती हूँ. Here the word always is used as the example of frequency of adverb. Second is, does he normally walk his dog at this time? Normally ये जो word है ये किसको describe कर रहा है? Frequency of adverb को. She usually shops at the Korean market in town. वो कहाँ से शॉपिंग करती है? हमेशा कोरियन मार्केट में जो टाउन में है. Here the word usually is used as the example of frequency of adverb. Understood? Let's see the third type of adverb, that is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tells us how or in what manner something was carried out. कि कैसे और कब कौन से मैनर में कोई चीज़ बताई गई है. They mostly modify verbs and can often be found at the end of a clause. और वो मोस्टली किसको मॉडिफाई करता है? वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करता है, वर्ब्स को मॉडिफाई करता है जो सेंटेंस में, क्लॉज में, एंड में होते हैं. दिस कैटेगरी कंप्राइजेज द मोस्ट कॉमन एडवर्ब्स, द वंस दैट एंड्स इन ly. और ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनके एंड में ly लगता है वो वर्ड्स ज़्यादा करके इसमें यूज होते हैं इस टाइप में. हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर given below. Beautifully, generously, happily, neatly, patiently, softly. Here are some example sentences. He trimmed the white roses neatly. Here the word neatly is used as the example of adverbs of manner. There is no reason why you can't discuss the topic with me calmly. Here the word calmly is used as the example of adverb of manner. Let's see fourth type of adverb, that is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tells us more about where the verb took place. This tends to pop up after the main verb और डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस यानी कि प्रीपोजिशन जो कोई भी चीज़ की डायरेक्शन शो करता है. हियर आर सम कॉमन एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस आर अबव, बिलो, एवरीवेयर, हियर, इन, इनसाइड, आउट और आउटसाइड. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स है तो ये प्रीपोजिशनल वर्ड्स हैं जो कि किसी भी चीज़ की, किसी भी जगह की डायरेक्शन शो करते हैं. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. इन आयरलैंड देर आर thatched roof cottages everywhere. Here the word in is used as the preposition or used as the example of adverb of place. Clearly there aren't any leprechauns here. Let's see the fifth and last type of adverb, that is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time detail when the verb took place. We usually see this kind of adverbs placed at the beginning or end of a sentence. Adverb of time क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है, क्या शो करता है? ये टाइम बताता है. सेंटेंस में या तो बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, शुरुआत में सेंटेंस के, या तो एट द एंड ऑफ अ सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस के एंड में. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. एनुअली, डेली, मंथली, रिसेंटली, टुमारो यानी कल, वीकली यानी हफ्ते में, डेली यानी कि रोज़, एनुअली यानी कि ईयर में एक बार, साल में एक बार. लेट्स सी इट्स एग्जाम्पल्स. Lately, you have been rude to everyone around. Here the word lately is used as the example of adverb of time. The morning newspaper arrives daily. Morning में newspaper जो है वो daily basis पे आता है. Here the word daily is used as the example of adverbs of time. I hope this video will somehow help you in future. Thank you everyone and have a good day.